Mismo ang Star Cinema na ang nagpatunay kung gaano kabagay ang Kim Pao, na sina Kim Chu at Paolo Avellino, sa isa't isa, sa kanilang recent post sa social media. Ayon nga sa kanilang post, 4 times Kim Chu and Paolo Avellino had the same vibe in travel outfits. 2025 is here, and we're not just hyped for Kim Chu and Paolo Avellino's first ever movie, My Love Will Make You Disappear, premiering on February 12. But we also love their low-key matching travel style. Here are 4 times Kim Pao's looks, were coincidentally, in sync on seemingly different trips. They went for casual black outerwear, to keep warm, and they even struck the same pose. They both opted for easy, comfy looks in sunny Los Angeles. They gave off the same vibe in monochromatic ensembles under the sun. They also know how to keep it cool and classic, with sunnies and crisp white tops. Dito nga, ay napakomento o napareact ang iilang netizens. From Kim Pao habang buhay, twinning is winning for my real couple. #Kim Pao. At mula sa isa pang netizen na, this is not nagkataon lang. It is twinning is winning, for life ba ito?